Hey everyone, welcome back. Jorge with Dent Motion. Today we're working on a 2009 Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester essentially came in for some body damage on a rear door, rear right passenger door. The customer came in and said, I want to clean this car up for Christmas for my wife. What can you do here? And I said, yeah, no problem. As we started to look at the car, we discovered some very light hail that was just all over the car. I'm bringing this up because probably a lot of you folks have hail on your car. You can't tell because it's just too bright outside, especially here in Colorado. We're closer to the sun, so it's really, really bright. So we started to look, and we could see the hail, brought it inside. Once we brought it inside and I put it under my PDR lights, sure enough, hail all over. They made a claim. This happened to be one of the major insurance companies. They paid right away, and now the car is here for some hail and also for that body damage. Let me show you some of the damage. So here's the Subaru. And let me show you the damage. They essentially came in, so I could repair. They didn't want to make a claim. They didn't want to go, put Bondo on it. It's big damage on this door. It's significant damage. But once again, as we started to look, you can see some of it there. Hail dot there. Hail. We started to look really close, and this fender, it's hard to see because of the glare, but there's some more hail here. It's actually right here. Hail dots. These rails have, probably 50 or 60 hail dots. Right there too. Some more hail. Anyways. Not to bore you to death, the hood's covered, the roof, it's a really nice car, really, really nice car. So just for future references, check your cars, make sure that they don't have hail. Here in Colorado specifically, almost hails every year. So anyways, I will show you the progress. So here we go, everyone. Here's the Subaru Forester I've been working on. I got this big old beast here that has hail that I had to repair. Just came in yesterday actually. But here's the door damage on this Subaru. I'm gonna try to be as close and possible as I can, and I'll show you some of the imperfections. This I haven't touched yet. This right here, give my light back. There are some imperfections right here. It's along the edge, and it had a real tiny crease there. I like to be as upfront as possible with all my repairs. But the huge bulk of it, it's all gone. Customer's gonna be super happy. This is essentially what they came for. This is a car that I also have to repair the hail on it. And I already started with this door. All looking good. I hope this video does justice to the damage. Anyways, I'll continue showing you some of the repairs on the hail. So anyways, on the Subaru Forester, we were able to find the hail. They made the claim to State Farm, insurance provider that they were using. They had comprehensive insurance, which is the only way that the insurance company will cover the hail. If you just have regular liability, they won't cover the hail. But if you have comprehensive, you pay your deductible. Luckily for them, it's $100, so it worked out really well for them. Look at your cars. Most cars do have hail. If it's light, some people say, oh, no big deal. Look, that took 2 days to repair. Their car looks wonderful. next claim around, they can claim it again. Hail is something that happens naturally. It's not anything that you can control. So check your car. If you want me to take a peek at it and you're here in Colorado, come on by. Let me take a peek. I'll put it under my fancy lights and we'll see if you have hail. You can make the claim. We handle the repair. Not a problem. A lot of that light hail is even faster to repair. If you're in need of any door dings also, or any type of damage like on the door on that Forester, check us out. 720-552-0808 is my cell phone number. Dentmotion.com is the website. Give me a call. Any questions, check in with us. Take care.